The Senate Committee on Public Information and Mass Media held a consultative meeting on media's role on public information dissemination during a crisis. Various representatives from different media organizations across the country attended the meeting. Some officials from the Presidential Communications Office were also present, as well as the People's Television Network Incorporated, led by PTV General Manager Annalisa Puod. One of Senator Robin Padilla's inquiries is what are the preparations of the media networks if there is a crisis or war.
Bilang General Manager po ng PTV, ako po ay maghihintay ng siguro po ng direksyon mula sa Presidential Communications Office kung ano pong messaging amin pong ibibigay sa taong bayan. At maganda po, I think it's very appropriate na pag-usapan po ito dun sa DND, sa AFP at doon po sa ibang agency para makapaglatag po yung national government ng mga ganyan nga pong direksyon kung sakali pong magkaroon ng ganyan ngang sitwasyon. Ang PTV po, gagawin po namin yung aming magagawa para makatulong pong mag-provide po ng information. But yeah, I think it's high time that we build something. Hindi lang po dun sa disaster, but siguro nga sa panahon na rin ng gera.
Alam ko po sir, meron tayong NDRIMC system no, na nagagamit naman po natin for in case of public disasters or